Hi everyone, welcome to our video on machinery hazards. Machines have revolutionized the way we live and work, but beware, they can be both a blessing and a curse. Just as machines can make our lives easier, they can also pose serious hazards if not used and maintained properly. What is machinery hazards? Machinery hazards refer to the potential dangers associated with operating or working around machinery in the workplace. Machinery hazards can cause serious injuries or fatalities to workers. The hazards of machinery can be divided into 1. Mechanical hazards, mainly from contact with or being caught by dangerous moving parts. 2. Non-mechanical hazards, mainly from the power source or things emitted by the machine. This follows ISO 12100, 2003, Parts 1 and 2, Safety of Machinery. The mechanical hazards of machinery are crushing, shearing, cutting or severing, entanglement, drawing in or trapping, impact, stabbing or puncture, friction or abrasion, and high-pressure fluid injection. The non-mechanical hazards of machinery are electricity, noise, vibration, hazardous substances, radiation, ionizing and non-ionizing, extreme temperatures, ergonomics, slips, trips and falls, and fire and explosion. Let us understand the type of mechanical hazards in detail. Crushing hazards. These hazards occur when a person is trapped between a moving part and a stationary object, such as between a moving press or hydraulic ram and a fixed surface. This can cause serious injuries or fatalities. Shearing hazards. This hazards occurs when a part of the body, usually the fingers, is trapped between two parts of machine, one moving past the other with some speed. Cutting or severing hazards. Cutting hazards occurs when contact is made with moving sharp-edged part such as a blade. Example is blade of a bandsaw. Entanglement hazards. These occur when clothing, hair, or body parts get caught in rotating or moving machinery, such as conveyors, augers, or agitators. This can lead to severe injuries or even amputations. Example is a loose sleeve cuff becomes entangled with the chuck of a lathe. Drawing in or trapping hazards. Drawing in or trapping occurs when a part of the body is caught between two moving parts and drawn into the machine. Example is in running nips where two counter-rotating rollers meet. Impact hazard. Impact hazard occurs when the body is struck by a powdered part of a machine. This is similar to crushing, but there is no fixed structure. Operators, maintenance personnel, or nearby workers can be struck by these objects, resulting in injuries. Stabbing or puncture hazards. Stabbing or puncture hazards occurs when sharp parts of the machine or material ejected from the machine penetrate the body. Example is swarf, sewing machine needle, abrasive wheel fragments, nails from a nail gun. Friction or abrasion hazards. These hazards occur when skin or body parts come into contact with rough surfaces, such as abrasive wheels, grinding machines, or rotating brushes. This can result in abrasions, lacerations, or other injuries. Example is touching a spin dryer, touching a belt sander. High-pressure fluid injection hazards. This hazard occurs when fluid at very high pressure is ejected from the machine and penetrates the skin. Example: hydraulic fluid escaping from a burst hydraulic hose. In conclusion, machinery hazards can cause serious injuries or even fatalities if not properly identified and controlled. Thank you.